Welcome to GK and Current Affairs Weekly, third week, June 2020. Hey friends, this is Mahendra Vaishnav getting you to the most competitive questions to help you out in competitive exams. Friends, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel VM9 India, please do subscribe and do not forget to hit on bell icon for latest updates. Enjoy, good luck.
Question 1. Central Board of Indirect Taxes and Customs CBIC has launched its flagship program known as Dash Customs, and the answer is Turant. The start of Turant Customs at Bengaluru and Chennai will be the first phase of the All India rollout, which would get completed by 31st December 2020. Question 2. Which state has decided to provide tap connection to all rural households by 2022-23? And the answer is Karnataka. Karnataka presented its annual action plan for implementation of the mission in the state to the Ministry of Jal Shakti. Question 3. Which state is the top performer in PM Garib Kalyan Anna Yojana? And the answer is Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir government has distributed 100% ration through its public distribution network in April this year, 2020. Question 4. Which state has inaugurated its plant health clinic? And the answer is Manipur. Question 5. To which state World Bank has lent rupees 1950 crore loans to Dash for tackling COVID situations? Answer is West Bengal. Rupees 1100 crore will be spent for creating industrial infrastructures, and remaining rupees 850 crore have been allocated for spending on various social welfare schemes. Question 6. Indian Air Force has designed, developed and manufactured ARPIT, A-R-P-I-T, ARPIT. What is the meaning of R? Answer is rescue. ARPIT, Airborne Rescue Pod for Isolated Transportation. Question 7. Fit India is joining hands with the Department of School Education and Literacy to launch a series of special films promoting Dash indigenous sports of India under the Ek Bharat Shrestha Bharat initiative. And the answer is 10 indigenous. The series is aimed at creating awareness about not just the indigenous games but also the culture and heritage of the states to which they belong. Question 8. How much fund has been allocated under two state government under per drop per crop PDMC component of PMKSY for financial year 2020 and 21? And the correct answer is rupees 4,000 crore. Per drop more crop aims for effective use of water at farm level through micro irrigation technologies, drip and sprinkler irrigation systems. Question 9. Name the panel which has been formed by ADB to find solutions for a speedy recovery of COVID-19 in Southeast Asia. And the answer is Ahmed M. Sail panel. Question 10. Name the committee which has been formed for the new panel for welfare of freedom fighters. And the answer is G. Kishan Reddy committee. There are 9 members in the panel, including Gujarat former MLA, Congress MLA, who took part in 1942 Quit India movement. Question 11. Alexander Shustov is related with which sport? And the answer is high jump. Former European high jump champion Alexander Shustov of Russia has been banned for 4 years for doping. Question 12. Name the India management guru who has passed away recently. And the answer is Pritam Singh. He published 50 research papers and 7 books on management education. Question 13. World Accreditation Day is observed on. Answer is June 9th. Accreditation is the act of granting credit or recognition, especially to an educational institution that maintains suitable standards. Question 14. Which state has passed Cow Slaughter Prevention Amendment Ordinance 2020 to prevent cow slaughter? And the answer is UP, Uttar Pradesh. The law provides maximum rigorous imprisonment of 10 years and a fine up to rupees 5 lakhs. Question 15. Which state has decided to ban online classes for students up to class 5? And the answer is Karnataka. Online classes should be stopped immediately and it is banned throughout the state. Question 16. In the fifth edition of NIRF Rankings 2020, which institute has topped the list of overall category? Answer is IIT Madras. Indian Institute of Science, Bengaluru is at the second position and Indian Institute of Technology, Delhi is at third place. Question 17. Where is Gir Sanctuary located? Answer is Gujarat. Gir Sanctuary, Gujarat's Asiatic lion population has gone up by 29% in the last 5 years as per a survey Poonam Avlokan. Question 18. Name the state where Jal Shakti Department has started to work on 174 schemes for improving water supply system. And the answer is Jammu and Kashmir. There is cost of rupees 62.34 crores for improving the water supply system in the Kashmir division. Question 19. Gulzar Dehlvi was a famous poet of which language? Answer is Urdu. Gulzar Dehlvi was also the editor of Science Ki Duniya, the first Urdu science magazine published by Government of India in 1975. Question 20. Which country will host Women's Football Asian Cup 2022? And the answer is India. This is the first time that India will be hosting the event since 1979, in which India has finished as the runner-ups. Thank you.
I thank the volunteer Komal Vaishnav in helping this project. Thank you.